Hi guys, in this video I provide you Hisense Fridge Temperature Controls. I provide you the step-by-step guide related to this. These are the display controls which is available on your refrigerator like super cool feature, super freeze, artificial intelligence, energy saving, holiday unlock. These are the features available on your refrigerator. And here you will see the controlling the temperature option. They recommend that when you start your refrigerator for the first time, the temperature for the refrigerator is set to 5 degrees Celsius. My fresh choice to minus 12 degrees Celsius and the freezer to minus 18 degrees Celsius. If you want to change the temperature, follow the instructions below. Caution. When you set a temperature, you set an average temperature for the whole refrigerator cabinet. Temperature inside each compartment may vary from the temperature values displayed on the panel, depending on how much food you store and where you place them. Ambient temperature may also affect the actual temperature inside the appliance. Press fridge button repeatedly to set your desired fridge temperature between 8 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature will decrease 1 degree Celsius with each press, and the fridge temperature indicator will display corresponding value according to the following sequence. Second, My Fresh Choice. Press My Fresh Choice button to set the 2-star compartment temperature between minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 18 degrees Celsius to suit your desired temperature. And the 2-star compartment temperature indicator will display corresponding value according to the following sequence. Third, Freezer. Press freezer button to set the freezer temperature between minus 15 degrees Celsius and minus 25 degrees Celsius to suit your desired temperature, and the freezer temperature indicator will display corresponding value according to the following sequence. Fourth, Super Cool. Super Cool can refreeze the food quicker and keep food fresh for a longer period. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.